Upon entering in my patient room, that I carefully put down all the materials needed for cold compress. I secure first the privacy of the patient before doing hand hygiene. Ask the patient in what part of her body is swelling. Then I check the part that in part of pain. And doing hand hygiene again. And also putting clean gloves. I cover the patient with towel. Then I put some pillow to support my patient aim. And also I put some towel so that the cold compress that I will going to do is not directly to her hand. I put some ice in the ice pack. I secure tightly and make that there is no air. Then I cover the pack with towel. Then I will leave it in my patient. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll check it if there is redness or reaction to her hand. Before you record all the reaction in the patient infected area, you need to remove your gloves and do hand hygiene. Record all the happening.